All right, this is our Tuesday lesson. Remember, we're going to start with rhyme recognition. You give me a thumbs up if the two words rhyme, thumbs down if they don't rhyme. All right, I'm going to say the words. You repeat the words, then give me your thumbs up or thumbs down. Sad need. Sad and need do not rhyme. Bear care. Yep, bear and care rhyme. Leg peg. Oh, I gave you the answer. That's okay. Thumbs up. Leg and peg rhyme. So that. So that do not rhyme. And band. And band rhyme. Good job. Now, onset fluency. Remember, this is a little different this week. I'm going to say a word, and you're going to tell me 2 or 3 words that start the same as the word I say. Okay, so let's practice. Rip, and then you're going to say rip, and you're going to say a couple words that start like for rip. Okay, you might say rat, rock, rose, or any words you can think of. Okay, let's try the next one. This is a little harder. Empty. You say empty. It's going to start like like elephant, egg. It's a hard one. There's not a lot that starts with Maybe you can think of a different word though. Took. You might have thought of something that started with T, like tall, 10, tape. Bed. And you could have said something like back, bad, best. Okay, last one. Can. Maybe you said cat, cook, care. Okay, or anything that starts with a K. Okay, we're going to blend our phonemes together. Remember, I'll do it first, and then you copy me. You repeat after me. Me. Go. Pay. I'm going to pause right there. Sorry. He. So. Okay, we're going to isolate the final sounds. That means we're punching it out. I'll do it first, and you copy me. Can. Bell. Skip. Was. Glass. Okay, good job. Next, we're going to segment phonemes, so get your choppers out. I'll do it first. You repeat after me. B, E. Lay, A. Moo, oo. Toe, o. Rye, I. Great. We're going to add phonemes to the beginning. We're starting with E. Add S to the beginning to make C. We have O add n to the beginning to make? Your turn. No. We have I, add b to the beginning to make buy. We have e, add t to the beginning to make tea. We have a, add o to the beginning to make lay. Very good. Now we're going to delete. I'm going to take part of it away. We have the word z. We have the word zoo without z. What's left? Oo. We have the word way without wa. What's left? A. We have the word fee without f. What's left? E. We have the word day without d. What's left? A. We have the word you without y. What's left? Oo. Very good. Last part. We're going to substitute. That means I take part away, put in a different part. Okay, we have lay, change l to s. And what's the word? Say. We have say, change s to m. And what's the word? May. We have may, change m to p. And what's the word? Pay. We have pay, change p to w. And what's the word? Way. We have way, change w to d. And what's the word? Day. Good job. And our nursery rhyme today is Little Jack Horner. So I'll say a line, you repeat after me. Little Jack Horner sat in the corner, eating a Christmas pie. He put in his thumb, and he pulled out a plum, and said, "What a good boy am I." Perfect one for Christmas. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.